TCN coffee and snack combo machine. Offers for cold and for hot drinks. The design features a large capacity configuration with 60 slots. A 21.5-inch touchscreen with a backend that allows for customizable product categories. Supports a multi-language interface. Supports multiple cup types. Shopping process. Hot and cold drinks can be served without a cup for eco-friendliness. Supports multiple payment methods, including cash, coins, card payments, and more. Once the payment is complete, you can directly select your purchase. The machine will automatically dispense the item and notify you to collect it promptly once the process is complete. Transparent heat shield. By repeating the same process, you can purchase other snacks and drinks.